guys, I just wanted to show y'all my baby cauliflowers. They look pretty good in there. Look pretty good in there. It's just coming in there. So hopefully we'll have a bunch more coming in. And as you can see right here, I got another one. This one's huge. This one's nice size. They're growing big. They're beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I thought the frost would have killed them, freeze would have killed them, but nope, they still look good. So hopefully we'll make plenty of them. They all look beautiful, beautiful in there. These things are nice, 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 nice. And that's the one I cut before the freeze and everything, but I don't think it mattered. Look, they just, because they didn't hardly have none of these at all the other day. And now it looks like they're all over the place. Yep, we are full of cauliflower. They all feel good too, so tell you what, we're gonna have more cauliflower than we can eat pretty soon. That's nice, beautiful, 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 beautiful in there. I think I might have to, some people say you put a rubber band on it, kind of holds it together, stop the leaves from turning green. I mean the cauliflower from turning green. It's been pretty cloudy lately, so I ain't been really worried about that. And they don't give them no sun for the next probably week or two. So hopefully we won't have to worry about it. But after that, they do give the cold front pass through, so it's dry out. So I guess I need to take care of that. They're looking beautiful. Beautiful. Each one got one. They're all full, nice and big. Full. Look at this one. Golly, look at the size of this one. This one's huge. Monster. I don't know how much more bigger they'll get, but they are a nice size for sure. Let's see if this one got one down in there. Huh? Nothing yet, huh? Oh, look, yeah, sure enough. Way down in there. I don't know if y'all can see that in there, but it's hidden down in there. And this one got another one too. I don't know. I think the bugs look like they'll get into this one. Yeah, they got one down here, guys. We're gonna have plenty of cauliflower for sure pretty soon. I want to show y'all my carrots. They're looking nice down there. They're growing pretty nice. Everything, the tops are big, pretty big. And everything. I'm not sure if we got a baby carrot in there yet. Oh yeah, sure enough, look at that. It just started. Just starting to make. Looks pretty nice. So hopefully soon we'll have a bunch of new carrots. Better eat them. Probably like in about another month. It'll be a little while before they'll be ready and everything. But not too bad for just planting them. They ain't but about a month old, so hopefully soon we'll have some nice carrots to eat. Okay guys, let's see how much potatoes we got here. Now I planted these potatoes. It's been a couple of months ago and everything. I'm not exactly sure. I think it was in November I planted them. Now I never fertilized them. I never put nothing down. Put them in the ground and let them grow. Now, so I don't know what it's gonna be like. Let's see what we got in here. Might not even have nothing, I don't know. I got one little bitty one right here. Ooh, that's a nice one. A few of them. Now it is out of season to be planting this. I planted it in November, and it's winter time, you know, so not too bad. Look at that, I got a little earthworm right there. See, bring it in. A minute on the earthworm. Got a little earthworm right here. It's kind of tearing up the ground. Not a lot of potatoes, but ain't too bad for not, like I say, not taking care of them and planting it in the middle of the winter time, you know. And actually the reason why I wanted to pull them up is because you can see right here, it's actually starting to make eyes already. The little eye. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to replant them. bad. Actually, I wasn't even expecting this much. I actually thought it was going to have less than this. I actually wasn't expecting nothing in there. Ugh. I'm getting old, guys. I'm getting old. It's getting hard to get up. Let's see what this one's got down here. Not too bad. Kind of small, but that's a nice one. Some more. That's the only bad thing about doing it when your saw's wet. But can't really pick the day all the time that you want to pick it. Sometimes the weather tells you when you got to pick it. And if you don't pick it when the weather tells you to pick it, you ain't gonna be picking no potatoes. Well, that's a nice one, guys. Look at this one. Monster. Big, beautiful one there. It's a big one right there. So guys, let me finish getting these picked. I only got a couple more left to go. And I'll show you what I come out with after I'm finished. Okay guys, I wanted to show you what we had. It wasn't too bad, not too bad for just about 4 or 5 plants and everything. It's a nice little bowl full. And they're not big, huge potatoes. They're kind of small. At least small by my standard and everything. You know, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna leave them dry out. I'm not gonna wash them. I'm gonna let them dry, let the mud fall off of them natural and everything. And what I'll probably do is I'll probably take these potatoes, maybe eat a few, and fry a few, and maybe make a little bit cream potatoes, you know what I'm saying? So guys, look, I want to thank you for watching this video. I hope y'all enjoying it. Please remember to like and subscribe, and I'll look forward to seeing y'all again in the next one. God bless y'all.